Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, elevating the selfie experience. Xiaomi Civi series consistently delivers an exceptional marriage of camera innovation and refined design. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro embodies this legacy, offering a powerful mobile photography solution for image-conscious users. Design excellence meets refined functionality. The Civi 4 Pro instantly distinguishes itself with its all-depth micro-curved display and ergonomically sculpted back panel. It's a deliberate move away from conventional smartphone design, prioritizing both visual appeal and handling comfort. This meticulous attention to detail extends to its material choices, ensuring a premium feel without sacrificing durability. Redefining the selfie standard. The Civi 4 Pro's core strength lies in its advanced dual front camera system. The primary 32MP sensor excels in low-light conditions, promising clear and well-exposed selfies regardless of ambient light. This is complemented by a 32MP ultra-wide front camera, perfect for expansive group shots or capturing more of your surroundings. Xiaomi's investment in computational photography shines through here. The Bionic Eyes Atmosphere Portrait feature draws inspiration from Leica's iconic portrait styles, rendering your selfies with artistic depth and nuanced color reproduction. Skin tones appear natural, and complex lighting situations are handled gracefully. Additionally, 4K front-facing video recording with electronic image stabilization ensures vlog-ready footage, empowering users to express themselves in high visual fidelity. Beyond the selfie, the Civi 4 Pro boasts a stunning 6.55-inch AMOLED display featuring a fluid 120Hz refresh rate and 1236 x 2750 pixel resolution. This translates to exceptionally smooth interface interactions, increased gaming responsiveness, and stunning image clarity. Dual stereo speakers further enhance multimedia experiences with rich, immersive audio. Uncompromising performance. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro takes the crown as the world's first smartphone utilizing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. This cutting-edge chipset delivers flagship-level performance for demanding applications and power-efficient multitasking. With up to 16 GB of RAM, the Civi 4 Pro handles even intensive workloads without a hiccup. Power to endure. A 4700 mAh battery ensures the Civi 4 Pro keeps pace with your busy lifestyle. When a top-up is needed, 6-7W wired fast charging minimizes downtime. The rear camera system, featuring a versatile 50MP triple lens array, grants users further photographic flexibility for capturing everyday moments. The Civi 4 Pro, for the discerning image enthusiast. Xiaomi's Civi 4 Pro stands out as an uncompromising mobile photography solution. It's crafted for those who value sophisticated design and demand exceptional selfie capabilities.